Welcome to our guide on using 777 Aircraft and Metal Cleaner. This environmentally friendly cleaner is designed to efficiently clean aviation surfaces while being safe for the environment. Maintaining a clean aircraft is vital for safety, efficiency, and aesthetic purposes. Let's ensure your aircraft is in top shape. Step 1. Assemble necessities and wear PPE. Ensure you have the following: 777 Aircraft and Metal Cleaner, spray bottle, microfiber cloths, water, gloves, goggles, and coveralls. Personal protective equipment is essential for safety during the cleaning process. Step 2. Dilute the cleaner. Depending on the cleaning task, 777 Aircraft and Metal Cleaner can be diluted as follows. For light cleaning, mix 1 part cleaner to 20 parts water. For medium cleaning, use a 1:10 ratio, and for heavy-duty cleaning, dilute 1 part cleaner to 5 parts water. Pour the cleaner into a spray bottle and add the appropriate amount of water. Shake well to ensure a proper mixture. Step 3. Perform a spot test. Apply a small amount of the diluted cleaner to an inconspicuous area. Wait a few minutes, then wipe it off to ensure there are no adverse effects. Step 4. Spray the cleaner on the exterior. Once the spot test is successful, spray the solution generously onto the aircraft's exterior surfaces. Work in small sections for even coverage. Step 5. Address stubborn stains. For tough stains, let the cleaner sit for a few minutes before scrubbing lightly with a microfiber cloth in circular motions. Step 6. Rinse the surfaces. Thoroughly rinse the cleaned areas with water to remove all traces of the cleaning solution. Make sure no residue is left behind. Step 7. Carefully inspect the entire aircraft to confirm all cleaning steps have been followed. Make sure no spots are missed and all surfaces are thoroughly clean. Your aircraft is now pristine and ready for its next flight, thanks to 777 Aircraft and Metal Cleaner. Using eco-friendly products not only maintains the condition of your aircraft but also protects our planet. Choose EnviroFluid for safe, effective, and environmentally friendly cleaning solutions. For a better world.